Good morning, Expert Auto Spa family. How's everyone doing this Sunday afternoon, I guess? Yeah. Talking about the details. You know, we're cleaning the interior of this Lexus. Now we get to the seatbelt. The seatbelt is in pretty bad shape. How do we really get in there and clean it good? How's that look? How's that? Little all-purpose cleaner. Both sides. Grab it here. Start scrubbing away. And from there, do a little wipe down. And we got them quasi-clean there. It's the little tools that make a big difference in detailing. Have a good day, guys.